Today, we are excited to release Divi Dash, a WordPress management dashboard that helps you sprint through website maintenance tasks, and it's included for free with your Divi membership. This tool empowers web designers to manage all their WordPress websites in one place, saving an untold amount of time performing tasks such as WordPress updates, user management, client management, and theme and plugin installation, activation, and deletion. You can view and manage all your websites in one place and jump into the WordPress dashboard of any site with a single click. Divi Dash works on any WordPress website, whether or not it uses Divi. If you aren't using a WordPress site manager, try Divi Dash. You'll quickly wonder how you ever lived without it. If you are already using a site manager, you can switch to Divi Dash for free and cancel an unneeded subscription. We are packing even more value into your membership. Here's how it works. Adding sites to Divi Dash is easy. Click Add Website and type in your username and password to link it. Alternatively, you can link websites to Divi Dash from the WordPress admin. Divi Dash gives you an excellent overview of all your websites and the pertinent information you need to manage them. It's also easy to jump right in to the WordPress dashboard of any site with a single click. Divi Dash logs you in automatically. Divi Dash's primary function is to help you manage WordPress updates. You can see how many sites require updates and update everything across all websites with a single click. Alternatively, you can perform updates on individual websites or update particular themes and plugins across multiple websites. You can also completely automate updates by setting an update schedule. You can create a different update schedule for each website and decide which items will be updated and when. Divi Dash gives an excellent overview of all the themes and plugins you use across your websites. You can manage updates, activate and deactivate them, and conveniently delete inactive themes and plugins you aren't using. Clicking on a website will give you more details and allow you to perform additional administrative tasks. The Updates card lets you know if WordPress or any of your themes and plugins are outdated, enabling you to update them with a single click. The System Status card details your server configuration and lets you know if anything needs to be adjusted to ensure your website works optimally with Divi. The User card allows you to manage WordPress users on the website. You can add new users, delete existing users, and adjust their roles. The Optimization card lets you perform database cleanup tasks like deleting spam comments, old post revisions, and clearing the trash. Using the Themes and Plugins card, you can activate, deactivate, and delete themes and plugins, and configure an auto-update schedule. Within Divi Dash, websites can be assigned to clients to help keep track of which website belongs to whom. The Clients tab will give you a client-centric view of your websites. Clicking on a client will display their contact information, any notes you have saved, and a list of the websites you manage for them. Divi Dash works with Divi Teams, so you can invite your team to help manage your clients' websites. You can assign specific permissions to each user. For example, you can create a user who can manage updates, but can't perform more critical tasks such as managing users or deleting plugins. Divi Dash keeps track of all the administrative tasks performed on your website, so you can maintain a bird's eye view of the activity. We packed Divi Dash with valuable functions and have a lot more planned, such as uptime monitoring, analytics, vulnerability reporting, and more. We're excited to release it today for free, and we hope you find it useful. Stay tuned for more surprising new Divi features and services coming soon, and don't forget to follow and subscribe so you never miss an update. I always give a detailed overview of new features here on YouTube, and it's a great way to get up to speed before you update your websites. That's all for this update. I'll see you in the next one.